You can talk.
Yeah.
You can talk.
So voila, this is the completion of the setup that we were showing you earlier. So at this moment now, the printer is ready, terminal is ready, system is ready, and a scanner. So you need an optional internet device, or you can provide your own. So at the front side, interaction with it by the cashier is very simple. So all the problems we have with when your cashiers struggle to or have as mistakes as they try to put price for customer will not happen again. So you could actually literally push what you're trying to sell and then accept payment, as simple as push this to accept payment. So the customer comes here. Oh, I'm trying to buy something today. So I press number 3 for current account. Then I can put my card all by myself. And what do? I put my PIN, and then I wait for the transaction. And then it's approved. So I remove my card, and then transaction is complete, and the system completes the transaction, and then of course I get my tickets, and